Jason Barnes here from Fluidity Business Solutions. In this automation short, I'm going to quickly show you a robotic process automation or RPA example. We have an Excel spreadsheet with 10 rows of data containing first name, last name, company name, etc. The data needs to be entered into this website and submitted each time. The trick here is that every time the data is submitted, the fields change position and/or size. We need the bot to be able to find the correct field that matches the data being input each time, regardless of those position and size changes. Having someone complete a repetitive menial task like this with hundreds or thousands of rows could take hours and be subject to errors. It also takes them away from other more meaningful tasks that provide value. In this example, the software I am using is Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, which is included with most business or enterprise Office 365 licenses. When I click the Run button, it is going to open the Excel spreadsheet and gather the required data. It will then open the website, loop through the data table, entering each row of data, clicking Submit each time, and then close the browser once it has been completed. Let's go ahead and click the Run button to start the RPA bot. In the background, Microsoft Excel has already been opened and the bot has collected the necessary data. You can see here the bot is entering the rows of data one at a time. Regardless of position or size, the bot can identify the correct field that matches the corresponding data and enter it correctly. The bot is also able to click the Submit button so that the next row of data can be entered. This process will continue without any human intervention until the entire data set has been looped through and all of the data has been submitted successfully. Again, this is a very simple example of robotic process automation, but the possibilities are endless. Imagine using this technology for things like claims processing, or adding users to a security group once an access request has been processed. What used to take hours or even days can be completed faster and without error. By leveraging RPA technology, teams won't be bogged down with these repetitive tasks. Instead, they will be free to provide better customer service or to focus on more complex tasks they enjoy and adds value to an organization in a way that bots cannot. Thanks for watching.